Hello everyone, welcome back to PM Academy. Today I am going to discuss about PM Academy's designing the foundation program for undergraduate students. Those are aspirant for 2024 or 2025 and also 2025 onwards. So in today's lecture, in the today's discussion, dear students, I want to give the details about my the programs, about the structure of my the programs, how the lecture will be the delivered and all these things. So now I am coming to that points. Before coming to that points, please like my channel, like my videos, share my videos, and also be a subscriber of my channel. Now I am coming to topic. My PM Academy already has completed 70 lectures on the UPSC and the Staff Selection Commission. So, dear students, today onwards, I have already planned, I have designed the syllabus of the UPSC only to provide the foundation programs for the undergraduate students. Undergraduate students, those are either in the undergraduate engineering, undergraduate medicals, undergraduate BCom, BA, BSc, or management programs. And they can prepare this the program 2 or 3 years before. As the civil service gives the higher weightage to the general studies in the main and also one essential papers which is the deciding factors to be selected in the prelim, that is also the GS in the prelim. So that's why I want to give emphasis on the GS only. Now question arises, why to GS only? Because dear students, you see, besides the GS, compulsory papers are there in the main exam, that is language and the English. It is up to the standard 7 or the 10th level, so anyone can clear it. Then next option is the essay writing. Essay writing, actually you can develop that knowledge itself. Once you are thorough in the GS papers, then you can write a good essay. You can be a good essay writer. Then another thing is that optional papers. When you are studying the medical, engineering, commerce, science, arts, or particularly you have become familiar with a particular subject and you can choose your the own optional papers. Minor guidance is needed. But major guidance student needs in the GS paper 1, 2, 3, 4 in civil services main exam as well as in the prelim exam of the GS, because prelim the paper is one but is a combination of everything. So like the history, politics, geography, economics, current affairs, basic science and everything, it is combination of all. So that's why actually I am giving emphasis only the GS papers or general studies papers of the prelim and the main exams. And I want to train only the undergraduate students, those are aspirants for 2024, 25 and 25 onwards. Now, just I want to tell you my batch size. It will be 25 only. Then second thing is that it will be purely online. So anywhere in the India, they can also join with me. And another point in my the online coaching, it will be only 5,000 per year. I want to charge only 5,000. And durations, every alternate there will be lecture, means actual Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. It will be the evening time, maybe 7 to 9 or 6 to 8, as it is varies the evening timing as per the seasons. So it will be the variables, either 6 to 8 or 7 to 9, 2 hours each, 3 days in a week, alternate day, and exclusively for the undergraduate students. And I have to charge only the 5,000. And greatest advantage, dear students, you will find that actually it may be the first coaching of the IS in India to function under a trust. So I have already registered a trust. So that is the Srishti Educational and Charitable Trust. My PM Academy's activities will be under the Srishti Educational and Charitable Trust. That's why I don't want to charge more. I don't want to take any economic benefits. Already I want actual to train the students in such a way, because many of the students, they are not financially sound in the India, and those are interested, they can join with me, and they will be enrolled in the PM Academy, and also under the, and PM Academy will function, particularly these the IS activities and competitive activities of the PM Academy will function under Srishti Educational and Charitable Trust. And very soon also I will means actually upload my the registration form. You can also register there. So this is what is for today's lecture, because I briefed you about my programs, how the GS program or GS Foundation program will be conducted for the undergraduate, for the prelim and the main for 2024, 25 and 25 onwards aspirants. So before concluding, and my request to you to be a subscriber of my channel, like my lecture, like my videos, and share my videos also. And you can get all the details in the description box. So this is for today. Thank you. Thank you.